And now we're gonna try the Xtreme Wetline
Okay.
Gel. Okay, that's a cute picture.
You're an idiot.
This is my
Yep. Get it.
my what you call it?
Thumbnail?
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Juanita 101. Today I'm coming back at you with another hair video. I know it's been a minute. I'm trying out a new product. I mean, it's new to me. I've never tried it. I've seen it in the stores and I've seen a few videos on it and I've seen good reviews and I want to try it out myself. Yes, Brittany?
Nothing.
Oh. Yeah, I want to try it out myself, and a lot of you guys say you have my similar hair texture, so maybe if it works for me, it will work for you. So let's see if this do what it do, boo-boo. Okay, so now we're gonna start. My hair's washed. Oh, just because, I'm just gonna let you know, my hair looks a little more green. As you can see, I added this another tintation. I wanted it to be more green because the Manic Panic was more of this color, and then the Hunter Green kind of overpowered the Hunter Green kind of overpowered the Manic Panic, so it was a little dark. So I let that kind of fade out, and then I just bought this Limelight Tintation Lime Green color, and I just put it over it today to give it more of a vibrant, vibrant look. So, if you just so y'all know, if you wanted to, just a little solution. Bitch, why is that shit all the way up there? I'm gonna get it together, okay? This is just what it is for what it is right now. I can't fix a fire alarm. I'm sorry. Brittany's my tripod, okay? And I'm trying my best. My lighting is an office lamp. Like, this is what it has to be right. If you just stick with me, just give me a good 2 months. Okay, give me till like the summer. Like, it will be better, I promise.
Promise. And it'll be content up the yin yang.
Yingity yang. The yingity yang. So now I'm gonna open this up. Let's see what the ingredients say. I'm pretty sure the same ingredient that get up and drying. My hair's all dried up now. So we're back. I had to delete stuff off my camera, but like we were just saying, I think that the same ingredient that y'all freaking out about that's in Eco Sour Gel is in this too, but we're not gonna talk about it. And let's smell it. It smells exactly like green apples, like legit, like a candle. And I know this has to be full of fragrance. And y'all be complaining about Eco Sour Gel. Y'all a bunch of hypocrites. But we're not going to talk about it. We're just going to get into using the gel. My hair's all dried up, so now I got to wet it a little bit. And all I am using is just like, this is like an old, it just has like some conditioner and water in it. This is not the product that's inside. I just found this bottle. So now that my hair is kind of sort of damp, just wet enough for me to add the product into it, I'm just gonna start raking it through. If you have seen my previous wash and goes video, sorry about that, the focus is going in and out, but if you've seen my previous wash and go videos, you kind of know my technique. You know I stand a Denman brush. I'm waiting for Denman brush to sponsor me. They need to quit playing, because if anybody goes hard for a Denman brush, it's me. Alright, so now I'm just gonna rake the product through. Do what it do. Ooh. Make sure I saturate each section with the gel. Nothing special. If it gets tangled, just run them through it. My hair is so different now that it's bleached, so my curls while they're wet really look sad and disgusting, but we work with it. I'm just gonna keep repeating these steps. Like, if you really wanted a detailed step-by-step way of me doing my wash and goes. You could go look at my previous videos. It's the same way, just a different products basically. So I'm just gonna finish this up and I'll come back when all the product is alright. So I'm back. The product is applied. So far I really like the texture of everything. It smells good. My hair feels pretty soft. I didn't have like a ton of a conditioner in it. I have like some shine. Come through shine. I don't feel like Eco Sour gave me that shine. I don't know if I'm wildin'. But this is cute, so we're not gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna finish applying it to this side. Just slap it on.
Literally.
Slinging it around everywhere. It's like easy to apply too. It has like a good slip too. I'm not mad at it, but I don't want to like overjack it because I kinda, we'll see when it dries because it's really looking like Eco to me. Just a little more conditioning kind of. My hair is all sad, guys. See what bleach does to your hair? But wait till it dries. Fools everybody. Even me.
No.
Because every time I sweat, I'd be like...
Bullheading.
Bullheading. Alright, so I'm just going to let it dry, I guess, till tomorrow morning. And then when it's dry, I'm going to come on camera, stretch it out, and then we'll go from there and see the final results. And then I will give you my rating. But until then, it's good night. Signing out. So, I have to come back on camera real quick because, like, I don't know what it is, but this, you can just already see that this shit is gonna dry nice. Like,
I feel like it made your curls more plump.
Yes, like it juiced the shit out of my curls. Like my hair.
This right here alone, like,
yes.
Eco Styler don't do this. This is plump.
Like, it feels juicy. Like, and to the touch, like, it doesn't feel sticky that much. It feels conditioning. Like, I'm not trying. Like, no. Come through, like, yeah, Eco. Eco. It's all about extreme wetline. This shit is really fire. Like,
but
hopefully I'm not overexcited. But so far so good. Like, I just had to let y'all know. And it lays edges a little soft. It's like a really soft hold, but it's a whole hold. It's like magic. I just don't know. It's witchcraft. This is what this is, witchcraft. Witchcraft Extreme Professional Gel. That's what it is. Okay, I'm done ranting. Good night. 4:33 in the afternoon. I am chilling with my kitty. Say hi, Rick. Look at his paws. His paws are green to match my hair. But yeah, so I look like a whole dust bag, but we're gonna get it together. I just wanted to show you guys my hair before. Can you stop? I just wanted to show this background. Hold on, guys, let me just, I'll be right back. Okay, so sorry for the background noise. My roommate's listening to music, but I just wanted to come on camera real quick to show you guys how my hair dried and what it's looking like. And I'm gonna stretch it out now. How I feel about it so far, the hold is way stronger than I expected. Like, I woke up and I had like a lot of crunch to my hair, but like as the day got on, it has softened up a lot. Like a lot. So yeah, my shrinkage is ridiculous. Oh, come back. My shrinkage is crazy. Yep, we already know the game though. And I'm just gonna stretch it out and we'll see how the finished product looks. I'm gonna get ready because I look like a busted mess and we just can't have that. We cannot. So the final say comes when I am done with my hair. So far so good though. You got a 10 so far, Extreme. You got a 10 so far. I feel like I'm gonna need to wet it to break some of this hold. This hold is crazy. They was not lying when they said extreme hold. They were not. They were not lying to us. So we can give them 100% for sticking to their word when they said extreme. I was gonna keep working with it. This is my first time using it, so you gotta know how to use your products. Right now I'm just gonna squeeze my hair. Ain't no flaking really. Ain't no flaking. Squeeze my hair out just to break the gel cast. Okay, okay. And it's still soft while maintaining the fucking definition. Can we get an amen? This shit is so cool. I really like this gel. I really like this gel. My fluff factor is a little low. That's for fact, but I think next time what I'll do is I'll use less product, like for sure. I think I like assumed, like it looked watery to me, like the product seemed watery to me at first, so I assumed that I needed more product than needed. You don't need a lot. Just put a little, start with a little bit and then work your way from there, because I was just scooping and dumping the shit out of my hair. But yeah, I really like it so far. I'm gonna finish up and get ready, and I'm gonna come back to you when I'm done and I don't look like a busted hot mess. Do y'all like my shirt? I feel like I should win an award for the most random t-shirts. The most random t-shirt variety ever. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, sorry if this angle's off. My tripod is at work, aka Brittany. But this is the final results, and you guys, can we just, let me just do a slow-mo clip for you. You know this wouldn't be a proper hair video if I didn't have a slow-mo clip, period. So let's roll it.
This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
This is my new gel. Eco, sis. It's been a long journey. You were there with me through my first wash and goes, my first slayed edges. You were there with me, but I gotta go my own way. I got to move on to bigger and better things, and that is this, and I'm so sorry about it. Okay, it's time for me to give my final review on this Xtreme Wetline Gel, and I have nothing bad to say about it, to be honest. To be honest, in the beginning of making this video and buying this gel, I was like, let me not get too excited because YouTube is good for overhyping a product, and I was wrong. This shit is the truth. This shit is the truth, honestly. Like, can we just, I manipulated my hair so much in the fact that I have this much definition. I was really in here like, and I couldn't, I was trying to get more frizz out of it, to be honest. So it's like a really workable gel. Like, you could do wash and go and really manipulate how you really want your hair to come out. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm a freaking sis. I give this a 10. Wetline Xtreme Gel, you get a 10 from Juanita. 101. I don't know if that means anything, but it means something. If you don't know that, you're asleep. I don't know what I'm talking about. I feel cute. And I gotta go to work. This wash and go gotta get wasted on work. I'm okay. But yeah, guys, I love this gel. This shit is so poppin'. This shit is cute. Okay, but yeah, I give it a 10. I don't know what else to say. I give it a 10. I'm in love. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. My hair looks like a starburst. Like, I pumped juice. Like, it just looks juicy, and my hair is bleached, so usually when I do wash and goes, like, my hair is easy to look real dry. Like, my hair is really blonde underneath this green. So it's easy for natural hair, already curly, already dry, to look really dry with color and gel. Come on. Do I gotta say more? Do I have to say more? This shit is popping, okay? I love this gel. I love it. I stand. I give it a 10. I approve of this motherfucking message. If you have a problem with shrinkage and frizz, this gel is good for you because it'll allow you to stretch your hair out without giving you too much frizz. And you can elongate your curls in peace. Let me think. Is that all that I have to say? I think that's all I have to say. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love all of you guys. All of you. I'm so appreciative of all 669 of you guys. I'm glad you guys stick with me and still subscribe through my fire alarm in the background, my horrible backgrounds, and whatnot, and my terrible lighting. But it's gonna get better and it's only going up from here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, what the fuck are you doing? And give this video a fat thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm so mad I gotta waste this on work. Why I gotta go to work? Why I gotta go to work? This is not fair. Make sure you subscribe. Share this video. Give it a fat ass thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already. Ooh, everything's gonna fall apart. Thumbnail. This is how I felt about it in the beginning. I can't even take a thumbnail with my hair looking like this. Giving this bottle attitude. How dare I? Sis, who you kidding? I should be to this gel. Okay. I'm OD. I need to get off the camera. One here, you already know. You already know what it is. You already know. 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 Just kidding. I'm so annoying. You already know what it is. I already said that. Okay. Stop. I want you in my video. They want to meet you. They want to meet you. Stay. Stay a while. Let's stay a while. Bruh. Hey, Rex. Do you approve of Wetline Xtreme Gel?